Welcome to Summit. In this video, we will show you how to file a claim. Log into your account. Your home page and accounts may look different from what you see here, but the information will be in the same places. In the navigation bar at the top of the screen, hover over Transactions and click on Claims Vault. Click the Add Transaction button. There are 3 types of transactions you can choose from the drop-down list. Online Claim, which is a claim you want to file for reimbursement or payment now. Claims Vault, where you can submit a claim to electronic storage for later reimbursement. Or Repay Balance Due, which allows you to return funds to your benefit account for denied or ineligible transactions. For this video, we will choose Online Claim. Click the Select Files button to upload a receipt or explanation of benefits. A receipt is not required in order to submit your online claim, but for most plans, failing to attach a receipt will delay your reimbursement. Choose Pay Me if you're being reimbursed, or Pay Provider if you need to pay a bill. Fill in your start date, amount of service, the service category, and the service code. These drop-down menus vary by administrator, so be sure and read the choices carefully. Add a description of service, choose the benefit plan you're using, and choose whether you're using direct deposit or check if you have the option. Write in any notes that you may want for future reference, and click the checkbox next to I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. If you have several claims you're making, click Add Line Item to add more claims. Once you are finished, click the Submit button. You have now submitted a claim. If you have further questions, please contact your Human Resources Department.